You have two eyes, one nose. Me too. And according to scientists, now brain is concerned, all 6 million human beings, exactly same, no differences. Due to color or due to races, no differences. So that, therefore, whenever I go or meet people, I always look on that level. No differences, no barrier. Of course, language barrier there. These are on secondary level. So therefore, whoever come to see me, I just feel, oh, another human being come. I'm a human being.
But people don't see you. People see you as someone special, as a spiritual leader, as someone that we look up to. But who are you exactly?
Then that is secondary level, yes. I'm, as far as the religious faith is concerned, I'm Buddhist. The racial viewpoint, I'm Asian, I'm Tibetan, like that. Within Tibetan, I'm Ando, from another sort of northeast part of Tibet, not from central Tibet. So, on secondary level, there are so many differences. Then I think on human level, maybe, now I'm a person whose age now already more than 40, more than 74.
74 years old.
And then in my life, there are a lot of trouble, a lot of problems. So due to these factors, I may have some different kind of experiences. And all through these difficulties, I never lost my hope and my faith, sort of my self-confidence. So on that level, sometimes it's my experience, little way, some benefit to some people who are similar sort of experience of difficulties. And in such case, it's in my experience, some of my sort of experience, maybe some useful to such people. So, and then all these periods, I learned one thing, that is more compassionate mind, compassionate attitude.
What does it mean?
Compassion or sense of concern of well-being of other, and particularly so-called our enemy. Towards enemy, if you keep your warm feeling, sense of concern of their well-being, that's the ultimate source of our inner peace. It is very, very relevant. We should have the concept of several religion, several truth. Destroy that. Force brings fear. Fear brings anger. Anger brings hatred. Then violence.